In this video, I will be talking about 6 ways in which you can prevent your crankshaft from getting damaged. Don't forget, your crankshaft is the backbone of your engine. So how can you prevent your crankshaft from getting damaged? In most cases, a damage to the crankshaft may spell an end to the lifespan of an engine. So how can you prevent your crankshaft from getting damaged? The first one is you need to frequently change your oil. Yes, when the viscosity of your oil is getting poorer, then it will now becoming affecting your crankshaft. The friction will set in. So you need to ensure that you always change your oil when you are doing servicing. When you do the servicing, you can check the manual or owner's manual of your engine to know when to do your servicing. You can get it done yourself, or you can go to a workshop to make sure that you fix you drain out your old oil. What is the second reason? The second reason is that you need to change the oil filter. Very essential. The oil filter helps to remove particles from your oil. These particles must not get to your crankshaft. If you get there, it's going to cause damage to it. But at a point, the oil filter is going to trap enough particles in the filter. So if you don't change the filter quickly, then the dirty will not get to your filter. This particle trapped in your oil filter will not get to your crankshaft. So that is one reason why you also need to change your oil filter. To change your filter is not expensive compared to the damage it may cause you if you fail to repair your crankshaft. So that is the second thing you need to do. What is the third thing that you need to do? Is you need to make sure that your oil sensor is in good shape, or you can call it a switch. What is a switch? Your oil switch is to ensure that you have enough lubricant in your engine, and when this maybe something happened, you have oil leakage, and suddenly your oil level drop drastically, your oil switch will help you to switch off the engine. It is there to protect your crankshaft, to protect other components, to ensure that friction did not get damage to it. So you need to ensure that your oil switch is working perfectly. If your oil switch is working, I'm telling you, even if by accident something happened to your oil, the oil sensor will pass signal to the ECM and to shut down the engine in order to protect your crankshaft. That is number 3. What is number 4? Number 4 is you need to replace your main bearing and journal bearings. During your engine rebuild, don't forget to replace these two things, your main bearing and your journal bearing. These two bearings are essential if you want to prolong the life of your engine. Please take note of those two. Ensure that when you are rebuilding an engine, even when you look at it on the surface, and if you do a physical inspection and it is as if they are okay, please, during engine rebuild, replace the two, change them, change your main bearing and journal bearing. You need to replace the two. That is number 4 thing that you need to do to make sure you prevent your crankshaft from getting damaged. What is number 5? Number 5 is that the oil strainer. Clean the oil strainer. If you go to what is oil strainer, if you go to your sump, after you remove your sump, you see the oil strainer very close to the oil. It's like a filter too, but oil strainer remove a bigger or sizable particle from the oil before getting to the oil filter. So that is work of oil strainer. So sometimes the oil strainer may become clogged. Ensure that you clean it. You don't need to always change your oil strainer unless something drastic happened. Maybe the mesh was tore apart. But what you need to do is just to clean it, especially during your engine rebuild. Ensure that you clean your oil strainer. And what is the last one is oil relief valve. If you don't know, you don't know. Your oil relief valve ensure that the oil that gets to your engine has enough pressure. It prevents too much oil and too low oil from getting to your engine. And when your oil relief valve is bad, your oil pressure can be too high or too low. So you need to make sure that your oil relief valve is in good condition. These are the 6 ways in which you can prevent your crankshaft from getting damaged. Please ensure that you take note of this 6 ways because your crankshaft is your engine. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching me. Bye.